know it's been a while since I last posted, and that's totally on me, but we've reached 10 episodes of making a hacked client together for 1.8. I think you've hopefully learned enough from watching it to create your own client and not just copy the code and claim it's yours. If you're struggling with understanding some code or have an error, I strongly recommend you get a solid grasp of Java before following along with the series. Then if that doesn't work, try looking it up. That's going to be one of the most important things you can do since I can't hold your hand every step of the way. Lastly, if none of those work, you can try telling me in the comments what's wrong. However, please try to be as concise as possible and give me all the information I need to help you. With that out of the way, I'm super excited to announce a new series I'm making. I'll be creating a fully fleshed client again, better than the current 1.81, and we'll make it together in version 1.21 with fabricmc. I already hear you saying from your computer though, why 1.21 and not 1.8? It's true that 1.8 has a slight edge over the new version for PvP, but a lot more people actually use the newer versions of Minecraft now. Things have changed a lot in the last year. And let me tell you, it's a whole lot easier to work with 1.21 than it is 1.8, since Mojang has already added a lot of the features we had to make from scratch. Like for example, ESP, Mojang already has that, and you don't have to do all this complicated math. I'm planning to make this client as complete as possible, and I want to include everything we had in the previous client and so much more. I've learned a ton from the other series, and it won't just be copy my code and do as I say. I also want to add things like capes, a backend server, command systems, and a whole lot more. As well as in the course, I'll include an introduction or a crash course on Java if you don't already know it, since I think that was the biggest contributor on why people couldn't follow along easy. I can already promise you, this new course will be better than any tutorial series you've watched on client development so far. That's all I really have to say for this one. Thanks a bunch for the support on the previous series, and make sure to like and subscribe since these statistics here aren't the best. Probably have some more YouTube tutorials up within a week. Excited to see you next time.